Hello, welcome to Breaking Sign, where we bring you the latest in architecture innovation. Today, have you ever wondered how it would feel to live in a home that combines the historic charm of a Federation house with the modern elegance of a concrete extension? A home that respects the original materials and details of the old building, but also adds a new geometric element that contrasts and complements it. A home that is designed by Sam Crawford Architects, one of the leading architectural firms in Sydney, and that is shortlisted for the NSW Australian Institute of Architects Award in 2018. If so, you might want to check out Bouwman House, a beautiful project of alterations and additions to a 1914-era Federation house in Sydney's inner west. In this video, we will show you how this home was designed and built to create a unique and memorable experience for its owner and guests. Let's get started. The site and the context. The Bouwman House is situated in the historic suburb of Haberfield, where many Federation-style houses are preserved and protected. The house was originally built in 1914, and had a substantial extension in the 1980s that added 8 extra rooms to the 4-bedroom house. The clients wanted to update and renovate the house, while respecting its heritage and character. They also wanted to create a comfortable and spacious home for their family of 6, with plenty of natural light and views. The design concept. The architects came up with a design that can be read as 2 distinct geometries, each representing a different era and style. The original house is restored and maintained, with its ornate doors, windows, and frames. The extension is a contrast and a complement, with its simple and elegant form, clad in dark metal panels. The extension is also subservient to the original house in scale, height, and orientation, showing respect and deference to the historic building. The 2 geometries intersect at a 45-degree angle, creating a dynamic and sculptural composition. The spatial organization. The house is divided into 2 zones, the public zone and the private zone. The public zone is located on the ground floor, and contains the living, dining, and kitchen areas. It opens up to a central courtyard that acts as the heart of the house, providing natural light, ventilation, and a connection to nature. The courtyard also has a pool and a jacuzzi, creating a relaxing and refreshing spot to enjoy the outdoors. The private zone is located on the upper floor, and contains 3 bedrooms, each with an ensuite bathroom and a balcony. The bedrooms are oriented towards the park, offering panoramic views of the greenery and the skyline. The material palette. The material palette of the house is minimalist and refined, reflecting the client's preference and taste. The exterior is clad in a black metal panel, creating a sleek and modern appearance. The interior walls and ceilings are lined with white plaster, creating a bright and spacious atmosphere. The floors are made of wood, providing a contrast of texture and warmth. The furniture and fittings are mostly custom-made by local craftsmen, using natural materials such as leather, marble, and brass. The artistic touch. The house is also a showcase of the client's art collection, which includes paintings, sculptures, and installations by contemporary Australian artists. The art pieces are carefully integrated into the architecture, creating a dialogue between the built and the artistic expressions. The art pieces also add color, character, and meaning to the house, reflecting the client's identity and culture. The final result. The Bouwman House is a remarkable project that showcases the talent and vision of Sam Crawford Architects. The house is a harmonious blend of architecture and art, creating a unique and memorable dwelling that responds to the urban challenges and the client's needs. The house is not only a beautiful and functional residence, but also a fusion of history and modernity in a harmonious way. The Bouwman House is a true masterpiece of contemporary architecture and design. Bouwman House is a beautiful project of alterations and additions that combines the historic charm of a Federation house with the modern elegance of a concrete extension. The home is designed by Sam Crawford Architects, who respected and restored the original materials and details of the old building, but also added a new geometric element that contrasts and complements it. The home is also designed to use concrete as the main material for the extension, to create a visual and tactile contrast with the old building. The home is a masterpiece of design and construction that showcases the best of simplicity, elegance, and innovation. The home is also a home where the owner can enjoy the beauty and the tranquility of the nature, and create unforgettable memories that will last a lifetime. Well, thanks for joining us today on Breaking Sign. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more exciting architecture insights. Until next time, keep creative idea running.